Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're going to be cooking tilapia with pineapple salsa. Let's get into it. So first we're going to take this pineapple, cut the top off, save that for garnish later. You want to make it look pretty. And then start taking off the skin on the sides. Don't go too deep, you're going to lose a lot of that meat. And then you're going to start cutting off all these brown spots. All right, and then we're going to start cutting around the core. Don't want to eat that. Take off the bottom pieces. And discard. All right, we're gonna get these nice and thin, chopped up, and we're gonna be using about a cup of pineapple. I'm not gonna go exact measurements here. All right, and then a green pepper. We'll do about half a cup of green pepper. You can use red pepper, just yellow, orange. I like bell peppers, so that's what I'm gonna put in my salsa. Chop it up pretty good. We'll do a little bit more than half a cup. Then we're gonna do about a half a red onion, decent sized. Chop that up. And then a half a cup of minced up cilantro. You want to get this pretty fine. Don't want big old chunks of cilantro in your salsa, or maybe you do. All right, and then we're gonna take a lime. You're gonna want to press it down with your palm and your forearm, work those juices out of it. And then you can use a juicer, but I'm going to use my palm and my fingers. Make sure we don't get any seeds in here. Okay, and then we've got a seasoned mixture here of about a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, and then paprika. Get that in there and then mix it up. All right, pop that into the fridge and save for later. All right, we're gonna get this tilapia on. We're just gonna throw down a little bit of oil on a medium-high heat. Slap that right on there. Tilapia doesn't take that long, but the temperature that you want it to get at is at least 145. That's the safe point for fish. We're gonna do a little bit of a glaze with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder with olive oil mixed all up in there. We're gonna slap that right on that fish. Slap. More of a rub. All right, we just flipped, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of this glaze rub on top. All right, tilapia is done. We're gonna pull that off. Directly onto plate. Get some salsa. Sweet and spicy action. Thanks for joining us in the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild. Please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next week.